Hey guys, CFL-TECH back with another video from CFL-TECH. We're on StreamingBetter.com with this media news story, and as always, it will be linked down in the description if you want to check it out. So we have YouTube TV testing expanded multi-view channel support, including ESPN, Bravo, and USA. So this is good to see, and it's probably long overdue. As this is a test, the channels included in the expanded version may change over time. Likewise, as availability of the expanded version is currently rolling out in stages, not all subscribers will have access to the additional channels at the same time. So keep that in mind if you're looking for this and you see things change up. They're doing the testing, so this is good to see that they're experimenting with multiple channels here, multiple networks. Now, according to the announcement post on Reddit, and there's a link to Reddit if you want to check that out, spotted by 9to5 Google, the rolling out of the experiment is in response to user demand and feedback. We heard your feedback loud and clear, YouTube TV said in the announcement. So they are finally listening to their users. It's taken some time, but at least they're doing it now. So we should see some improvements here with more multi-view options. Now, we have the football season starting up in a few months, so this is nice to see, especially if they get the local networks, and that looks to be a part of it as we go in time here. The announcement also made clear that YouTube TV plans to launch a new always-on version of Multiview in the future. Unlike the customized version, the always-on version will include local channels like ABC, CBS, Fox, and NBC. So that's good to see with the local networks. When football season starts, that will become more important. So what are your thoughts on this new multi-view testing? Has it been long overdue? Have you been looking for it? And of course, do you hope it's ready within the next few months for football season? It probably will be. They know there's competition coming too now. You have the new Fox streaming service. You also have the new ESPN service coming here by the end of the summer, beginning of football season. So YouTube TV wants to be prepared because they do have a good amount of sports on the service and they want to keep those customers on board. And who knows what these other services will launch. With launch, they may have multi-view. We don't know all the features just yet. So the competition's only going to stiffen up here, and that's really important for YouTube TV to get this going. We have Fubo with multi-view as well. And again, you know, it's getting to be something expected here with some teases of this. They've had some multi-view options already with YouTube TV, but just not expanded enough. So I think this is a good time to get this going here, especially with time before football starts up. So what are your thoughts? Put your comments down below. Are you currently using YouTube TV, a subscriber, and love the service? And now, if they add this, this would really put it over the top. So let us know down below. If it's your first time here on the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, hit the notification bell so you know when the next video drops from CFL-TECH. CFL-TECH checking out of this one. Thank you for watching. Soon to be back with another. Take care.